Now here is how we can create a lined paper in Microsoft Word on the computer. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a brand new blank document like this, and let me make it full screen so we can see it easily. And now in order to create the lined paper, what we have to do is to click on Insert in the top and choose a table. And you can click on Insert a table. And you can see that the number of columns is going to be, we're going to set it to 1. And the number of rows, we can set it to 50, right? So you're going to click on it like this. And it kind of looks like the lined paper, right, already. But what we have the ability to do is to basically select it like this. When you click on the button next to it, it selects the whole thing. And we can decide some things and decide how exactly it's going to look, right? So we can, for example, go to the borders and at the top and decide that we disable the left border, and we also disable or that we at least are going to keep only the top border like that. And we're now going to keep the one on the right. So that's how it would be able to be set up, right? So again, I select the top and a bottom border like this, and you can see that if I zoom it in, it only has like the lines, so it doesn't have the borders on the side right here, right? So that's how you can basically make that work. And you can now essentially type into any of the rows, right? So you can see I can type in wherever I want, right? I can kind of like get to the right or to the middle, type in wherever I want, and I have like a lined paper where I can write into it. Of course, you can as well select things and kind of like delete it. Depends if you want to delete the parts of the grid as well, like I did. You can see that I deleted that kind of thing. So yeah, it depends. But also at the top, you have table design, which lets you choose a different style of the rows there. So as you can see, I can choose something like this, which it has like a blue lined paper, or this orange looking one, or even more options are naturally available. So yeah, this would also give you the ability to write stuff into the line. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the future uploads.